Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, this is a brief video I want to do explaining the difference between insider dealing and insider trading. A few days ago, Fidelity Banks MD bought a couple of shares in the company. Few media outlets uh, erroneously tagged the transaction as insider trading, which is totally wrong because insider trading is illegal. So I'm just going to explain the difference between insider dealing and insider trading. Now, when we say insider dealing is when an insider, that is a staff of a company or someone who's related to them, or a contractor, someone who is close to the business, buys or sells shares in a company. Now, when this happened, a notice is sent to the stock exchange and it's public information. That's why, with the case of Fidelity Bank, when the transaction happened, I think a day or so after, a notice was sent to the stock exchange. In some societies or markets, notice is sent the same day. So there is absolutely nothing wrong with insider dealing. However, when a company has sensitive information on the way, you have a closed period. Now, during a closed period, parties who have access to that sensitive information cannot buy or sell shares. Again, a notice is also sent when a closed period occurs. So, if for instance a company is supposed to release its results in 3 months' time, a couple of weeks before then, a closed period is announced. And during that closed period, staff of the company, their relatives, or contractors, or anyone who has access to sensitive information that is not yet public cannot trade their shares. When that information has been released to the public, a notice is also sent, and you can then see when they are then free to trade those shares, right? Now, when you come to insider trading, insider trading is when an insider in a company buys or sells shares in a company based on confidential information that is not known to the public. Insider trading is illegal and is punishable either by jail time or a big fine, in some cases both. In fact, in most cases, once any form of insider trading is involved, if it is a staff of a company, the staff of that company will have to resign or be sacked, and they would also face a fine and a big jail time or jail term, especially if you're in finance. Finance is a strongly regulated space. So if you do anything illegal, if there's any form of insider trading, they will be fired and they will. So it's a big deal. So in this case, no form of insider trading has occurred. And I just hope you find this useful. I wanted to go online to show you a notice, but I'll probably put it up on YouTube or wherever and all that, so you can see and you can understand what I'm saying. So have a good day, everyone.